Hi, this is going to be a demo on how to use the quests using the World Outliner in Details panel. So I pulled up a brand new level, it hasn't been touched before. The first thing you want to do in your level is going to put in your quest manager and your quests. So in your content folder, go to the blueprints folder and go into the quest system. First things first, you're going to want to drop in a quest manager. It's going to give you all these created managers thing. When it is played, you're not going to be able to see it, so it just needs to go in there somewhere. In order to actually set up a quest, you're going to go into the quests folder. Now in the quest folder, you have two types of quests you can set up. You can have a fetch quest and a location quest. So to start off, we're going to make a location quest. Inside of the location quest, you have a location marker and a location quest. The quest is going to be the starting point. The marker is going to be the end point. So we're going to toss in a location quest and a location marker. With the quest, in the details panel, it's going to have under default a quest name, the next quest name, and the goals. So we're going to give our quest a name, for example, Q1. The next quest name doesn't matter for now, leave it blank, so that way if you have a next quest later on, you can go ahead and give it a next quest name. As for this location marker, we're going to also give it a location name. So we're going to give it location 1. And going back into our quest now, this location 1 that we gave over here is going to be what we want for in the My Goals. When we hit Add Element, we're going to go ahead and give it an element. So this location marker is the same one that is in that World Outliner. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And the name that we gave the location quest was Lock1. So we're also putting it as the name for our location marker. If we want to put in a second quest, you're going to put in a second location quest. And then you're going to put in a second location quest marker. We're going to go back to our first location, add that second quest name in, go ahead, give our new quest a name, and then leave the next quest name blank. For My Goals, we're going to go ahead and add an element. Now you're going to see that there are two location markers. Since we know that we've already used the first one, we're going to go ahead and use the second one. We're going to go ahead and give it a name. In here first, it doesn't matter which one you put it in first as long as it matches up. So this is going to be location 2. Don't forget to give your location that same location name, location 2. And now when we hit play, we've got our quests and our location markers available in the world. For you to activate it, you need to go into the quest, and then to finish, you're going to see that it's completed down below. Again, for quest 2, you can go ahead and check that. To see what quest you have active currently, press P as in puppy. And you're going to see that it will print out the screen. Quest 2 is currently available. And then you complete it, and once you have no more quests available, when you press P, it'll say no current quest. So that is how you set it up if you want to have two different location quests and two different location markers. Now we're going to put in a third quest, and it is going to use both of the locations. So this is going to be quest 3. We're going to go ahead and give quest 2 its next quest name, so quest 3. And then in the quest 3, we're going to go ahead and give it location 1 and location 2. And now it's going to reuse these location markers. And to quickly show, so we've got quest 1 finished, we've got quest 2 finished, and now we've got quest 3. In order for quest 3 to finish, we need to hit both markers. So right now it'll just say goal is completed, and then it'll say goal is completed, and the quest is completed once you hit both markers. The setup is very similar for the fetch system. So in going back up the chain, in fetch quest, you have a fetch quest and a fetch object. Now the fetch objects are going to be what you guys are going to add static meshes to. So currently the static mesh is for this one is just whatever random thing I had in here. Building cover, I'm assuming is what it stands for. So you're going to put down your fetch quest. Again, it's going to have that quest name. So this is our fourth quest. I'll go ahead and give quest 3 the Q4 reference. And then I'm going to go ahead and toss in an object of the fetch object type. The fetch object also has a name. So this is our first fetch object. So I'm giving it F1. Going back into the quest, we have to go ahead and add our fetch object. Now you see these two are going to mingle. Just grab the one that you need and give it a name. Now when this one activates, so we have activated the quest, it currently is just going to auto lock it into the dog, and you're going to push the object or return the object into the quest for it to complete. J is what is going to be used currently to release the object, and then it'll just reattach if need be. Similarly, you can have another fetch quest in here, giving this quest 5. This new quest is quest 5. Quest 5 can also use that same fetch object, so fetch 1. So we're going to go ahead and activate quest 5, and quest 5 will be also using this one, and then the goal is complete. Much like the quests over here, you can have multiple fetch objects be assigned to this, along with a location if you want to have both a location and a fetch object for one quest. One thing to note with the current quest setup, due to us not having it structured out in a behavioral tree or as like a branched off, this has to activate a next quest before something else can happen. Currently you can kind of go and do whatever. So like I can go and activate quest 1. Quest 1 is the current quest, but then I do quest 3 is activated, but then I can finish quest 1 and quest 3 at the same time, which is not ideal. But overall, that is the basics on how to set up a quest. Let me know if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.